Most people spend months trying all hair products with little to no result. But here is the twist. There is a simple hair tea you can make in under 10 minutes that wakes up dormant hair follicles, supercharges hair growth from the roots to tips. I've used this tea on my 4C hair for the past 3 months and the growth has been insane. I've also studied what makes natural remedies actually work, and this blend checks all the boxes. Stick till the end, because by the end of this video I'll be sharing with you a bonus tip that changes everything. Let's begin. This is rosemary powder, a total game changer for natural hair. If you don't have the powder, no worries. You can also use fresh rosemary or dried rosemary leaves. They all work perfectly. Now here is the part that most people don't know. Rosemary doesn't just smell good, it literally wakes up your hair follicles. It increases blood circulation in your scalp, strengthens your roots, and helps your hair grow faster, thicker, and healthier. Next, we've got fenugreek powder. You can use fenugreek seeds too, they work just well. This little non-Ayurvedic gem is packed with protein, iron, vitamin C, and antioxidants that prevent damage to the scalp and hair follicles, and basically everything your hair craves. It stops shedding, helps reduce thinning, and gives your strands a beautiful soft texture. Now we are going to combine the two in a jar and pour in hot water. This is how we unlock all those powerful nutrients. Stir it up real good, get everything blended in, then let the mixture sit for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. This gives the herbs enough time to infuse into the water, creating the magic potion we'll be using for our scalp. Once it's cooled, go ahead and strain the mixture. You want to remove all the tiny particles so nothing clogs your bottle or gets in your hair. Then pour the golden goodness into an applicator bottle. This makes it easier to target the scalp directly. Now let's get into the application process. I focus on my scalp because that's where the magic happens. Gently apply the tea and massage it in using your fingertips. Don't rush this, it's your time to connect with your scalp. Scalp massages are everything. They increase blood flow, encourage growth, and help your roots absorb every bit of that rosemary and fenugreek goodness. If you got 4C hair like me, section your hair to make sure the tea reaches your scalp evenly. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. You can apply it to your hair strands too if you like, but in this video, we are focusing on feeding the scalp. And here is the bonus tip. Here is where I get a little extra, and girl, it's worth it. I use a scalp massager, and let me tell you, it's not just effective, it's so therapeutic. Massage your scalp in gentle circular motions for at least 5 minutes. It helps boost blood flow, relieves tension, and honestly, it feels like a mini spa moment at home. For the next step, I went on to pre-poo my hair in preparation for wash day. If you want to know how I pre-poo my hair using okra gel, click on this video right here to watch now.